I, Dr. Kapil Govil, welcome you in this video. In this video, we will solve a question like if students is having 4 subject marks or 5 subject marks, then we have to calculate the gross marks. Then we are starting algorithm. Start algo. Suppose we have to find out gross marks of a student having 4 subjects. 4 subject name may be English, Hindi, Maths, Zoology. So 4 subject marks should be added. We have first, for adding those marks, we have to take as input. So read subject marks 1 in MK1. We are taking variable name as MK1 for first subject marks, then MK2 for second subject marks, MK3 for third subject marks, and so on for MK4 for 4 subject marks. So read subject marks 2 in MK2. Read subject marks 3 in MK3. Read subject marks 4 in MK4. Now we have to find out the gross marks or total marks. So TOT means total equal to MK1 plus MK2 plus MK3 plus MK4. So all the total of MK1, 2, 3, 4 will be stored in TOT, that is total, and then just we have to print TOT and then end algo. Now another question we are taking that we have to find out gross salary of any employee. So any employee, we are assuming any employee is getting basic salary, DA, TA, HRA. Amount of DA, TA, HRA and basic salary will be given by user, and just we have to find out the gross salary. So start algo. Read the basic salary in basic. Suppose we have taken variable name as basic, then read the DA, dearness allowance in DA. And here we are assuming that we are not taking percentage of DA, we are inputting amount, directly amount of DA. Okay, then read the HRA means house rent allowance in HRA, and then read the CA, compensatory allowance, CA, in CA. Now we have to calculate gross salary. So gross salary is addition of basic salary, DA and HRA, CA, and one more TA, traveling allowance. Read the TA in TA, traveling allowance. So basic salary will be added to DA, HRA, CA and TA, and will be the result gross salary. So gross equal to basic plus DA plus HRA plus CA plus TA, and then just we have to print the gross. So print gross and then end algo. So I hope these 2 questions are now clear to you. These are for algorithm for adding subject marks, and here salary is calculated. So if you like this video, if you love this video, so please share this video among your friends on Facebook and WhatsApp. So thanks for watching this video, sharing this video and liking this video.